Okay, can I just say hashtag trade with me? Well, basically looking at the charts right here, today is like the carrying da. Hey. What did I say? Well, looking at the Forex calendar today, the news today, we have bank holiday on USD all day. That is all day. Euro groups meeting, blah blah blah, all that. So basically this highly affects the pairs that we are supposed to trade today. That is XUD gold. Let's go on a minute. Let me go to like 15 minutes. Gold right there, and Euro USD right there, meaning that today you expect 0 to less movement. Okay, or no movement on these pairs with the bank holiday. So unaweza shinda kwa trade the whole day, because you see Euro USD is part of the pair, and then gold. Now maybe we decide to look at a different pair. Today's the day that I'm supposed to start the making $10 a day trading challenge. So on TikTok, and I think I'll also be posting here. But anyways, let's see if you're going to get a trade, and if the first day of this challenge we are going to make that $10, and you know that is just for the challenge. Anyways, I look so pretty, by the way. I'm feeling pretty too. We got other plans for the day, but for now, let's see. Well, we can say the plans have been confirmed now. We just have to have a good trading day and moments so that we don't go out there feeling like, oh. So guys, nothing is more exciting than being off the charts and then coming back and then having a plan, and the plan goes your ways. I don't want you to see what I made, but I am also starting the $10 a day challenge on TikTok. So check out my TikTok. I don't know, I'll place it on which TikTok. I don't know. I think I'll place it on the YouTube babe at Miss Maureen TikTok account. Yep. So I've gotten out of the trade because it is now we are getting into London market open. I was in pre-London, London, and that's what it gave us. Oh my god. The problem is not trading gold, it's over risking gold. Okay, so let's see how the market will open. Yep, but I am a happy soul. I actually almost messed up this trade somewhere when we got to the 30 minutes. Yeah, but I'm thinking maybe during the next session we're going to have, I don't know. I am done. I just want to see how the markets are going to open. It's 10:59. I want to see how they'll open if our trade continues well and good, because you see we were actually supposed to close. Let me show you on the charts. We were actually supposed to close here, but I held. This is our market opening. It's going to be bullish, you see, but I have gotten out right here. But this is where our initiative before the challenge was. and then this is how the market is open. So probably in the next session it will, I don't know, best or something. Remember today it's a bank holiday, low volume, but still we traded, and we can call it a day. Let's go do other activities, because the more we stay on the charts, we can lose whatever someone has made. So because like right now I'm being tempted to get into buys, but I've not analyzed the market. I might get into the buys, and then should we withdraw right now? Oh my goodness, should we withdraw right now or grow this account? Because I took the first trade with 0. Okay, that one is for the challenge. I'm feeling like taking these buys.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars.
So guys, here's the thing. We were supposed to meet up with someone. It's 10. Around 10 they were supposed to call me. But okay, you know, Kenyan time. I decided to kind of give them an allowance of 1 hour. You see, also in that 1 hour, I knew we could have been done with our trade of the day. And so I was waiting for the call. But now it is 12:42 p.m. Let me just be honest. If they end up calling me, let me see. No, ikifika 6 or by 7. I don't want that. I don't want that because I don't like that. If it's 12, it's 12 by the way. Keep time. It's like trading, man. If you miss the opening time, so I'm like, let me just knock a little bit. You know, you all know me now. Let me just knock a little bit before I go out. I was planning to, if we're meeting up, I go while sending this parcel to a friend of mine. Let me show you. Let me show you. Come on, come on. It's right here. She actually sent the money for everything. It's not like, I'll not lie to you that I'm gifting her. Like this thing I saw, I don't know, inafinyana hapa nyuma unatengeneza battery and then it starts making the noises. Oh, guess you can imagine for the time that I'll get a baby. Oh, boo boo. Mama loves you. Anyways, I don't even know. That one. And this. It's well closed. It's actually an amplifier, and then inside there are different baby toys. Not amplifier. What is an amplifier? What is an amplifier? Why have I used the word? What is an? Anyway, I don't know. Anyways, different toys. They're just these two gifts. Yep. But now, ikifika, I think ikifika saa 9, I'll just have to. Yep. If they want to simmer, they will simmer. And this. So let's continue snacking. Biting something, and then maybe I'm not even sure about undoing this hair anymore, but whatsoever the case, it's awesome. I think my mom bought for me this. It's been a minute I haven't talked to my father. What? Oh. Actually, this is like an indoors kind of day for the better parts of it, though it's ending. I don't know. Should I even undo this there? Okay. Let me look at myself in the mirror. Not really sure.